All right, guys. So this is the challenge for today. You just look here, and then you go to training, and then I believe like the daily challenge. So we're gonna continue that, and this is it right here. It's the shop purchase summary. So it says you are buying health potions in a small RPG shop. In main.py, you are given some starting variables, which are these right here. I'm not going to go through them though. And it says using only variables and basic arithmetic, do the following. First, you're going to create a variable total cost for how much gold you spend in total, and it should be the cost of one potion times the number of potions. And then two, we're going to create a variable remaining gold for how much gold we have left, and it should be your starting gold minus the total cost. And then number three, we're going to create a variable final health for your health after drinking all the potions, and it should be your base health plus the extra health from all the potions. You are going to print all three lines using F strings in this exact order, and this is great because I just learned this or relearned this today. So then we're going to replace remaining gold and final health and total cost with the values of our variables. And to go over it again, I guess is like a reminder for me. It says an F string is a string that starts with an F and can include variables inside of the squiggly brackets, or just brackets, that's what I call them, squigglies. And for example, name, print F string or F hello and the variable, and then prints hello Ada, and the variable is name, and the name has the value of Ada or Ada, however you pronounce that. So we are going to get into this. I'm pretty confident I can do this. When I was doing the learning earlier, um, we we were doing basic arithmetic and using F strings, and also declaring the variables. So, um, yeah, let's go ahead and start this. We're gonna start with number one. It says create a variable. I'm not an expert, obviously, of course, guys. We're just kind of experimenting right now and just sharpening our sword as we go. So we're going to create a variable total cost, or how much gold you spend in total. So that's going to be total cost. I'm not the best typer, so please don't make fun of me. So our total cost is going to be the cost of one potion. Cost of one potion is going to be, actually, it's going to be one. So I'm just going to copy this to make this faster. It should be potion cost, and then times potions bought, which is 3 of them. Yes, sir. And cost, it should be the cost of one potion times the number of potions. Boom, we got our total cost. And then we're going to create a variable remaining gold for how much gold we have left. It should be your starting gold minus the total cost. So okay, so we have to create that variable. It's going to be remaining, that's what I write, yes. Remaining gold equals, and then it says our starting gold minus the total cost. So it's going to be the starting gold variable, copy, paste, minus total cost, and it should pop up here. And boom, that's it for that one. And now it says create a variable final health. So I'm going to create that variable final health. After drinking the potions, it should be your base health. So we're gonna do base health. Copy. Oh, whoops. Equal. Whoa. Okay. Oh gosh. What am I doing? What are we doing? Okay. Equals. I'm sorry. I just glitched there. Base health. Oh gosh. No. Okay, hold on. I'm messing up, guys. Hold on. I told you we're sharpening right now. We're sharpening. This is base health, right? Is that what we're on? Yes. Copy. Oh. Okay, base health. Plus extra health from all potions. Okay. Oh, you gotta actually think with this final one. So it's basic health. So we're gonna do it. So health per potion. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. I think it should work like this. Plus the health per potion, and then we're gonna multiply that. I could be completely wrong right now. Health per potion times potions bought. Okay, so potions bought. Am I right? I don't know. I think I am. Okay, so if I'm right, it should be this. So it should be your base health plus the extra health from, oh yeah, all the potions. Okay, then we're gonna print 3 lines using F strings in this exact order. And we're gonna steal this right here for copy. I'm going to paste, print. This is in this order? Oh, okay, so gold left. Oh, whoops. Gold left. And I'm sorry guys, I'm a real slow thinker sometimes. Here. Gold left, squiggly brackets, where are they at? Where are my squigglies? Oh, there you go. Okay, here we go. Gold left, and then it would be remaining gold variable. Like that. Boom. And then we gotta close that. Wait, what? Wait, where'd I mess up? Oh, that's why. Okay, see, that's why. I didn't close out my thing. Okay, here we go. You see how you learn as you go through and do things? There we go. Boom. Now, print gold left, remaining gold. And then we're going to print F string is going to be final health. And then this, that, and then squigglies. Final health. Bang. Close it out in parentheses. And then total spent. Whoa, hold on. Oh my gosh. Control V. And then total spent. Here. And then squiggly. Total cost. Close, and bang. Right? And now, if this works, it should run properly. Oh, we did it! Oh my god! We did it! Hold on, wait. Total, the health per potions. This was the one. I'm like, did I get this one right or not? I don't know. So, I did this right. It ran. So, that's what I got. Final health and total spent. So let's submit and see if we got it right. We did it. I just solved my first coding problem. This is gonna be. I think I'm elite now. This is gonna be fun. Well, thank you guys for coming along on this journey with me. Well, guys, I just finished my first coding problem. That was an experience. It was very fun. I'm excited to keep going on this journey, and I hope you guys come along with me. If you're learning to code, if you're in cybersecurity, make sure you're subscribed or just like the video, share with somebody if you thought it was interesting, and I will try to keep putting out more of these because that was actually very fun trying to figure that out. I love solving problems. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for walking. It's been Jarvis. Hope you have a blessed day.